appreciate yung advice ng ating presiding officer. As you all know, nahihirapan ako, and I think pati kayo, nahihirapan kayo sa akin. And in fairness to Attorney Tolosa, he's also being very careful. Kaya nga nag-usap kaming dalawa. Akala namin marereprimand na kaming dalawa kanina. Thankfully, hindi naman. And thankfully, the presiding officer saw that we have been trying our best to be very careful in media interviews. So this is something that I cannot decide by myself. It will be something that I will have to talk to the Vice President about and hear her thoughts on the matter. And if ever, then we'll let you know. And kung meron ng bago na magtatayong spokesperson, definitely we'll definitely introduce him or her to the media. No?
Sir, I understand that the way you talk to the Vice President is that you present pros and cons of issues. Offhand, what is your appreciation? Would you recommend having another spokesperson or retaining the post for yourself?
Okay. If I were to talk, or if I were to actually give you my personal sentiments, of course it's been, and I'm sure you can see that, it's very difficult for me because it's quite time-consuming to do the legal work. Yun pa lang, medyo it's time-consuming na, no? Parati kong sinasabi, wala na kaming weekends. But aside from that, as you know, I also have to accommodate interviews because it's also very important na maintindihan ng mga kababayan natin kung ano yung nagaganap sa impeachment court on a day-to-day basis. So in that sense, I think the pro would at least be I will be able to focus more on either the legal or the spokesperson work depending on what the Vice President would want. The cons would probably be my familiarity already with all of you, your familiarity with me, no? And of course my familiarity with the client. And probably another con would be yung, syempre, kung may spokesperson na hindi part ng legal team per se, meaning hindi direktang nagpa-participate sa aming discussions, I will also have to manage that aspect. So, syempre, you will also have to, in a way, brief the spokesperson on what's going on and what he or she can say and cannot say. So, yun yung tricky part talaga if we're talking about spokespersons kasi you'll have to manage another person also aside from managing the legal tasks.
Sir, the Vice President will give you a shot.